Where does the name for Traeth Coch, or in English Red Wharf Bay, come from? So today I'm on the north coast of Ynys Môn, or Anglesey, and this town behind me is called Traeth Coch, or Red Wharf Bay. Let's get into the name. Traeth means a beach, a shore, or sometimes an estuary, from the Proto-Celtic word trachtus, and Coch means red, borrowed from Latin cocum, a kind of small red berry used for dyeing. But what about the beach here is red? Now, according to some online articles, the name of Traeth Coch is believed to originate from a battle involving Vikings in 1170 that left the beach soaked in blood. This doesn't sound right though, because the Viking Age is supposed to have finished around 100 years earlier. There is, however, a battle recorded in the area between Hywel ab Owain and his half-brothers. There's even a memorial to him in the centre of Pentraeth. Also, according to a study paid for by Cadw, the Battle of Pentraeth in 1170 probably took place south of Pentraeth, near Bwlch on the road to Rhos Cefn here, so nowhere near the beach either. I can see where that confusion came from. Some people have said that Hywel ab Owain used soldiers recruited from Dublin, and Dublin was a city founded by Vikings, and its last Viking-descended ruler died in 1171. It's unlikely that the soldiers were Vikings in the way we think of them now, though. I guess people like to associate places with historical groups that they know well. The English name was documented as the Bay of the Red Wharf in the 16th century, later becoming Red Wharf in 1617, with wharf meaning a shore or a landing place. It evolved into wharf by the 1730s, likely due to its use as a quay and as the word wharf fell out of use. Hywel wyn Owen suggests though, and I'm inclined to believe him, that the Coch in Traeth Coch and the red in Red Wharf Bay both simply allude to the colour of the mudflats. Sometimes the most likely explanation is the most straightforward. So the name literally means the Red Beach, or the Bay of the Red Wharf. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.